thank you for your love.
Nagluluksa ngayon ang Philippine music industry, pati na rin ang showbiz industry sa pagpanaw ng isa sa mga iconic at mahuhusay na singer ng Pilipinas. Tinaguri ang Asia's Queen of Songs si Miss Pilita Corrales na pumanaw nga sa edad na 85. Hindi man binigay ang detalye ng kanyang pagpanaw pero nagbigay ng pahayag ang kanyang apo na si Janine Gutierrez at sinabi ang ganito, "It is with a heavy heart that we announce the passing of our beloved mommy and mamita, Pilita Corrales. Pilita touched the lives of many not only with her songs but also with her kindness and generosity. She will be remembered for her contributions to the entertainment industry but most of all for her love of life and family. Please join us with your prayers and kind thoughts as we celebrate her beautiful life. Further details regarding memorial services will be shared soon." Nagbigay naman ng kanilang pakikisimpatya ang mga artistang sina Bella Padilla at sinabi ang ganito, "Sending my deepest condolences to you and your family, Janine." Nagbigay din ng white heart si Jericho Rosales, si Darren Espanto, Raho Laurel na tila nagulat sa pangyayari. Ayon kay Raho, "Oh my goodness, sincerest condolences." Ilang mga netizen din ang nagbigay ng kanilang pakikiramay sa pamilya ni Janine sa pagpanaw nga ng isa sa pinakamahuhusay at pinagmamalaking singer ng ating bansa. Matatanda ang last May of 2024 ay isang documentary nga ang ginawa at produce si Janine Gutierrez para sa kanyang lola. Kwento ng Vogue Philippines, Baby Ruth Villarama will helm a new documentary titled Pilita, chronicling the life and career of the Filipino singer Pilita Corrales. Known for her acclaimed work on Sunday Beauty Queen, the director aims to capture Corrales' 7-decade career, showcasing her rise to fame and the personal struggles she overcame. Pilita is more than just a documentary about a singer, says Villarama. It's a story of resilience, reinvention, and the enduring power of Filipino music. Pilita's story is an inspiration not just for aspiring artists but for anyone who has ever dared to dream big. Janine Gutierrez, an award-winning actress and Corrales' granddaughter, is producing the documentary alongside Raymond Ang and Chuck Gutierrez. "I feel a deep responsibility to preserve her legacy," says Janine. "This film is a way to ensure her story inspires generations to come, not just as a performer but as a woman who defied expectations and truly paved the way." Sa puntong ito ay masaya ang mga netizen na nabigyan nga ng pagkakataon ni Janine Gutierrez na mabigyan ng kanyang lola ng maayos na documentary at legacy na maaaring mapanood ng mga taong nagmamahal sa tinaguriang Asia's Queen of Songs.
To all my friends in Facebook, thank you for your support and thank you for your love. And since it's Mother's Day, I'd like to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers all over the world, all the mamitas all over the world. May you have the best Mother's Day celebration this week. Okay? Happy Mother's Day in town sa lahat ng mga Bisaya na mothers. Felicidades a todas las madres del mundo. Happy Mother's Day to all of you and to me.